Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone, my name is Kisna Azahra. My student number is 20035063. I am a student of Padang State University, Faculty of Mathematics and Natural Science, Chemistry Education Study Program. This time, I will tell the story of my life during COVID-19 case. This time, start for my life in high school. High school time was very effective for me. A time full of laughter and struggle, of course. In high school, I have a good friend, funny and interesting. I consider them my second family. First, all the day was so fun, all things done together. Starting from playing to learning is also done together. Everything changed. In the last day of testing, the case regarding spread of COVID-19 is increasing. My friend and I thought that COVID-19 was luck for us, because we can be free from school assignment and lesson. But over time, the burden and discomfort increasing. The day that used to be spent together now has to be spent alone. And this problem is increasing as the time for the SBMPTN test is getting closer. Lessons that were previously always explained by the teacher now have to be spent alone. Even the tutoring plan was not carried out due to the increasing spread of COVID-19, which required you to stay at home. The struggle itself begins. I start collecting the material from the book and social media. The self-study process that I do is not as effective as studying at school. Who initially want to learn often turn around to play cell phone. The day of the test is getting closer, so I have to be more active in studying. From here, I understand that self-study not easy as doing homework. Many things need to be observed and understood with limited insight. But at least with the help of the internet and the book that I have, I can understand a little about the test material that I will be doing. The long-awaited moment has come. My friend and I went together to perform the test. Laughter interspersed with studying together filled our day. The next morning, the test started. I tried my best to answer the question of the monitor and hope to get a satisfactory result. After the test, my friend and I has to separate because we have to go back to our respective home. The day passed and the thrilling moment came. The day I will receive the result of my hard work. The day I got the result that I was accepted for my second choice, namely Padang State University. After being declared accepted, I started looking for information about the course I was going to take. Armed with internet and social media, the search for information began. At the beginning of the search, I found it very difficult, especially in finding the lecture group chat. A few days later, I finally found the group, but a new problem has arisen. It turned out that there are so many group chats that make me overwhelmed and confused with one should I join in. Slowly, I began to understand the division of the group and also met new friends from different areas. The next few days, the online inspection took place. I don't understand the online aspect. I have doubt and fear of being wrong in responding to order or question from senior. So I chose to remain silent and ended up not participating too much in these activities. And because of COVID-19, the observation, which should have been an activity to introduce the lecture system and campus area, has instead just become an activity to sit in front of a laptop screen. The initially learning process has begun. I, who still don't really understand the lecture system, become very overwhelmed. Slowly, I began to adjust to the thing I was facing. Unknowingly, the final semester exam took place. I'm trying to understand the lecture material that I haven't mastered yet. During the first final semester exam, I feel very excited to the score I will get. Semester 1 is complete. I get a month off and I really use the time to rest and do something I can do during lecture. Here I feel very free and have no burden. It doesn't feel like the second semester has started with the same system that is online. Armed that experience of the first semester, I began to get used to studying like this. I start to be able to divide my time and understand to existing learning materials. However, in the middle of the second semester, the first practicum started, which was carried out offline. This is my first time studying offline. I feel worried various possibilities fill my head. After carrying out the first practicum offline, it turned out that my worries were too much. It turned out to be very fun doing offline practicum. I can meet my classmates who I usually only see on a laptop screen. And from the day until now, I began to feel enjoy the lecture period even though there were still some courses that were held offline. COVID-19 has had both positive and negative impact on me. The positive impact I feel is that I can manage my time better, become more independent, and don't always depend on others. And I play that we must believe in ourselves, that we are able to face all obstacles that are expected. The negative impact is my whole life changed and make it difficult for me to adapt to new habits. And also make it difficult for me to meet my friends. But I believe that life goes on, and I have to get used to it and rise from adversity over the limited activities I can do. That's my story about life during COVID-19. Thanks for watching.